Our customers are looking for people that know how to solve the problems they're faced with today. The problems we're faced with are very complex products. Our customers are coming to us looking for engineers that understand how to use this software. Industry 4.0 is really looking at what it takes to think about every aspect of what it takes to take a product to market.
The strategic relationship with schools and universities really started with Industry 4.0, and then that transformation to Academia 4.0. And what that caused us to do is transform the way people learn.
I think the biggest challenge facing engineering colleges across the country is balancing the theory with the application. My role as Associate Dean is to make sure students have the connection with industry to get the tools they need to be competitive once they graduate. So having a partnership with companies like Siemens has allowed us to jumpstart our student experience and transition into the workforce.
Siemens PLM software is really committed to work with the academia. We do that through relationships with universities, but also for us it's important because it enables product innovation in the ideation process.
A lot of university systems are still set up in their conventional silos. The mechanical engineering department, the aerospace engineering department, the electrical engineering department, the chemical engineering department. You need to be able to go across those domains comfortably.
You have to have an engineer that can think about not only how we create the initial idea, how we potentially manufacture this, how do we leverage the feedback we get from the product, how do we bring that into an R&D process. Things like additive manufacturing, systems-driven product development. We can help our customers find the type of skill sets that meet the needs of the emerging trends and things that are happening in industry today.
Working at the intersection of disciplines is becoming more and more critical to be successful for companies to implement digitalization.
Siemens has a whole suite of software that covers the entire PLM cycle. So we want to take everything and see if we can permeate into every classroom in conjunction with the simulation, industry experts working with us on actual problems with Siemens simulation software to demonstrate to the students.
To see designs go back and forth between these different disciplines, trying to find the most beautiful thing that you can still make money at. That's teaching kids an interesting problem way early in their career.
What we want to do is see how we can train them at the university that gets them up and running both in what the industry does with respect to software and how industry practices are done while reinforcing the academic concepts and the theory here. So it has to be a blend of both.
They realize we'll hire their students if they have the right skills. They want to teach them those skills.
Being able to depict a real-world environment through the competition, we engage them in these kinds of experiences. Then when they see them in the real world, it's like the aha moment.
And the tools that Siemens provided to my students, to my team, and the training with which they learn to use these tools has been fundamental to our success.
So students like it because it's practical. We like it because we find the students that are worth hiring.
This experience has given me a taste of reality, but more importantly, it's preparing me to become a better engineer in the future.
The first couple days that they were there at work, they were actually able to contribute almost immediately.
I knew how to work with Siemens, products before leaving my university. I've been very fast-paced with my new job, my new role, and I've been learning so quickly that my boss is impressed. And it's all because, I had previous experience with the software.
We talk to our customers, they want someone that can think holistically about the entire process. What really makes us different is that we look at this problem of complex design holistically and the multi-physics part of the problem, mechanical, electrical, software coming together. We're the only ones that have that complete solution today.
While we're still teaching the basics in the core curriculum, now we take the examples and we take the labs, we transform them to real-world examples from today, and then they can solve something that's happening today. That's very powerful.
If you can use Siemens software, you're ready for everything you've already validated.